Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put y go to the left, ds and this one go to the right. So we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have y squared over number 2. This one, we have 1 over 8 Ln of the absolute value of 1 plus x to the power of 8. And I will put about c. Later that, we multiply both sides by number 2. This one, that is about 1 over 4. To see, we can consider that is about the constant. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.